How to make TNT in Minecraft. So first, you just simply need to get 4 bits of sand, 5 bits of gunpowder, and of course your crafting table. So just simply place it on the ground, open it up, then place the gunpowder like this position. Then get your sand and place it on the remaining slots. And after that, you will now have your TNT just like so. You could also find TNTs on a desert temple or desert pyramid. So if you stumble upon a desert pyramid and you see this 4 chests right here at the bottom, so make sure that you don't fall since it will activate the TNT right here. And as you can see, it just exploded like that. So I want another pyramid right here. So just make sure that you don't do the same mistake I did earlier. So just destroy the pressure plate and open up the sands right here and just simply dig out the TNT so that you could farm them. So there are a total of 9 TNTs right here. And that's how you basically make a TNT in Minecraft.